You know, most of us want to look good. We want to feel good. We want to have the energy. We want to look healthy. We want our friends to say, well, wow, you look great. Most of us want that. But how do you do it? How do you actually get from where you are, if you feel like you're not there, to getting to somewhere where you feel like, wow, I've really changed. I feel happy with the way that I look. Number one, it's a way that you think about it. You got to see it as a lifestyle. You got to be able to cut most of the bad things out, like high sugary foods and drinks and stuff like that. It doesn't mean that you're not allowed to enjoy your life, but the more you consume that stuff, the more you're going to struggle. Honestly, if you have a high sugar consumption, you will never get the results that you want. That's just unfortunately the way it's going to be. So what do you cut out? Like if you eat bread every single day, yeah, you're gonna struggle. A lot of people that have IBS is the worst thing to have is bread, any bread, because it just makes it. It's like fueling the fire. You're just constantly fueling it, so it doesn't go away. Drinking fizzy drinks all the time, low sugar, no sugar, 0 calories, all of these things. Well, if they take out the sugar for taste, they put in something else. Remember, so they put in stuff that's not that good for you. Drink your water, drink a bit of coffee, drink a bit of tea if that's what you need. These are basic things that will already change your body. Cook from scratch. Spice your food with herbs and spices. Spice your food. Flavor your food with herbs and spices and stuff like that. Use sea salt, Himalayan salt, not refined salt or that table salt. Use the real stuff. Black pepper. All of those things. They make your food taste better. And then you'll actually enjoy it. Don't burn your food when you cook it. Take your time. Take your time. Because when you cook it slow, you can actually move off, come back and do something else, and then it's still okay. So I cook my food on a medium heat. So I don't have to worry about standing there next to it and it's going to burn all the time. Basic principles, step by step. Start looking at food and thinking, oh, I like that. I like this. How do I cook it? Go on YouTube. Follow my stuff. There is millions of videos out there to show you how to cook a steak, a chop, a piece of fish, or all of these things, and even how to flavor it as well. There's so much stuff out there that we can look at that will give us all of this guidance. That's what I did. I could not cook. My first book was called The SA Boy Who Couldn't Cook, or The South African Boy. And that's true. I couldn't even boil an egg. If I took it out, it would have been as black as this mic because I just didn't know how to do it. I hated it. I didn't like it. But now, it's part of my lifestyle. I really enjoy cooking food and eating it. When I eat in a restaurant, I can't stand it. I have to pay for a meal that I think is substandard to what I cook at my own house. So it's just one of those things. It doesn't mean that I don't want to enjoy my life and go out and do all these other things. But the more we eat stuff that's going to put us in a bad position, the more we're going to get a bad result. We need to work on our health. We need to start supporting the local farm shop, the local butcher. Go to these people that are really trying to give you the best produce. Ask them where their meat's from. Buy the best quality that you can get. That's important. And with that, you'll also start feeling better. Get out there, do a bit of exercise, walk, jog, run, swim, whatever you need to do, whatever is open at that time. Just try it. Even just walking will switch on your mind. It will get your blood flow going. It will keep your mobility going, and you will feel better. We all know that when we're tired and lazy sometimes, that when we're a bit active, all of a sudden you're awake. Like people come back at night and they go, oh, I can't sleep, I'm awake. That's what exercise does. It wakes you up as a human being. Keep working on it. Keep going with it. Don't give up. It's basic, simple steps that gets people good results. But if you want quick fix diets, you will be that person for the rest of your life. A quick fix diet person. Diets don't work and they're unhealthy. They are no good for anybody. Calorie restrictions, point systems, stuff like that. Stay away from them. Look at food, cook from scratch, make yourself the best possible food. You can make the price as low or as high as you want to, but you will feel better from day one for eating the real stuff. Just give it a go. That's all it is. Follow my stuff on Facebook. Have a look on there. Follow it on YouTube, wherever. Look at the recipes that I put out there. Look at the meals that I cook. And then you'll see this is the reason why I can maintain shape. This is the reason why I feel good, why I feel energetic as well. So I hope that helps. Keep it up. Don't give up. That's the main thing. Don't give up. Just keep moving forward, small steps at a time, and you'll get there. Catch you later.